Need to find valid Facebook users from large phone number lists? In this video, I'll show you how to use Facebook Registered to identify phone numbers that have already registered Facebook accounts. First, go to NumberCheck.ai and click Get Started. Sign into your account, or create a new account if this is your first time using NumberCheck. After logging in, you can view all available account checking products on the platform. Before placing an order, check your account balance in the top right corner. If your balance is insufficient, click Top Up to purchase credits. Choose the package that best fits the number of phone numbers you plan to check. After completing the top-up, return to the product list and locate Facebook Registered. Click Buy Now to open the Facebook account checking page. Select the country or region that matches your phone number list. Upload your TXT or CSV file. Make sure each line contains one phone number. Click Start Detection to begin checking. Once the task is completed, open the results page to review the checking results. The exported file contains phone numbers that have been identified as registered Facebook accounts. You can download the results and use them for audience filtering, customer acquisition, or campaign preparation. Visit NumberCheck.ai to start checking phone numbers today.